In this video, we're going to explore the Explore tool in Slides. The link to this slide deck is in the email, so if you want to follow along and utilize it to practice, you can, or feel free to open up a fresh, brand new Google Slide document so you can play along. So the Explore tool has been around for a couple of years. It replaced the old research tool that Google had across the Google Workspace application suite. And you can find it in a couple of places. The first place you can see, which is where I typically gravitate towards, is down in the bottom right. The little icon and the button will pop up, and when you tap the Explore tool, it'll open up a right side menu. You can also find it under Tools and Explore, and this is consistent across most of the Google Workspace applications. The Explore tool is in Docs, Slides, and Sheets. So what can we do with the Explore tool? The first thing we're going to do is look up websites. This works in Slides and Docs. It's a great way for students to start their research. It allows them to do a preliminary search inside the document that they're working on before they start opening up a bunch of tabs or going straight to Google. So we're going to be looking at panda bears. So we're going to do Explore. And it's going to offer some layouts right away based on the content that's on my slide, but I'm going to use this search button up here. So I'm going to tap here, I'm going to type the word panda or whatever search you're looking for. It's going to do a cloud search first. It's going to look for anything that's in your drive or anything that's connected to you that has that name in it. What we want to do is actually go to web. So we're going to go to web. Here are a bunch of Google search results for the word panda. So we can scroll down, find an article that we like, and when we click on the link, it will open to a new tab. So then the students can go through, get the information they need, and then come back here to the slide. The next feature we're going to use with the Explore tool is adding images. So same place, we've opened up our Explore tool, and this time instead of looking under web, we're going to look under images. Make sure a word is typed, and then all of your images will appear. There's two ways that you can add images. You can click the image, it'll open up a larger preview version of the image, and then you can click insert, or you can click the plus button in the top right hand corner as you hover on top of the images. What's great about these particular images is they will add into your document, and then they will also automatically link to the source of that image. So it makes it really easy for students to build their works cited later because every image has been linked to its original site. All of these images are also copyright available for your students to use. The last feature is using Explore to make slides look pretty. We can utilize the Explore tool to make designing our slides really simply. To show you how to do this, I'm actually going to add another empty slide here. I'm going to add a few pictures, and then I am going to grab just some text here from this website so you can kind of see what happens once I start adding text and pictures, right? Now, when I click the back arrow on my Explore, this is kind of my main Explore page. When you first open up Explore, this is what you see. You're going to see all of my pictures and my text are kind of formatted for me into these different images. And then if students want to see, well, what would it look like if I only had one picture? They can delete images and the layouts will change. So if I only want this little sleeping panda, then I get a different layout option. So they can kind of work through these to get the one that they find the most compelling or the most attractive. I think that is beautiful, and I would have never thought to do it that way with the overlay and the translucent box here. So it allows them to up their skills with layouts without spending a lot of technical creative energy to do so. We hope you have fun showing your students the Explore tool.